So I don't know what happened, but apparently YouTube said so long, Gay Bowser, and just said video uploaded now. So I guess I uploaded the first video. When I'm recording the second video, it's kind of awkward, especially if you're watching this in the future. Yeah, it's kind of awkward, but you'll get the gist of it eventually. But I guess we're gonna have to make this in 3 parts because YouTube only likes 30 minutes. I'm gonna have to find a camera that actually lasts all day and not lasts 30 minutes. Or 16 seconds. It doesn't tell me that it lasts 16 seconds. Looking at you, camera. Okay, let's just get this over with. Oh my god, this game looks beautiful in the morning. I don't know why it does, it just does look good in the morning. Man, I need to play this game live. No joke, I feel like I need to play this game live now. Just because of this. Oh, what is that? I know it's new, but like, I saw it before my net broke. Of course it did. You want to see the funnest part of this game? Because I'm about to show you. We had this is the worstest part of the game. This the part of the game where you have to technically do all this sucks. It's not even bad, it's just like the mechanic of you can switch around everything like this. I like it in order from net to fishing pole to this to whatever the heck I want, and then go, and then axe, and then this, then ocarina, then fan, then star, and then ladder. Why is ladder last? Because ladder's the only time I actually will use it. Dude, look at this. This looks so much easier. If I just want rent something I actually need, I would just look at this. But now I have to build another net. I need the golden ones. I know the golden ones usually break, but I had not seen one break yet other than the clip show. No joke, I never seen one break like physically someone was playing with it for like someone was actually playing the game and not just shooting to see what happens. I want to know. I want to straight up know if it actually breaks. Because it's just like oh my god, the birds are loud today. Dear god. Oh my god. Do I sleep with this? I actually sleep like this? Why? Why do I put myself in torture like this? Okay. I can't believe I actually woke up early just because of this. Oh, I'm gonna be so tired today just because of this. I didn't want to wake up early, but like I had to because YouTube content. YouTube is YouTube, so just yeah. I'm so sorry for anybody that's used to high quality content, but you ain't getting that here. I do not have a screen recorder, and yeah, that's it. The only thing I have a screen recorder on is my phone, which that's why you got in more phone content than actual content, which I'm planning on making a Mario Kart Tour video eventually. Probably today because the tour ends tomorrow. So yeah, today. Yeah, the tour does end tomorrow, so I technically have to do it today. Thank God. Do you know how long this takes when you don't actually mash? It takes around like 10 seconds. It sucks because it takes that long. Usually once you mash, it probably takes around like 3, which thank God. Because if we didn't have this, then this mechanic would have been the worst mechanic in gaming history. It's like this is a smart mechanic, but used in the worstest way possible, and that's what I hate about it. Once a time, huh? Yeah, that's where all this game time came from. So that's where all the time came from. Literally, crafting is half of this game. No joke, that's half of the game's experience, crafting. It sucks because it's true. It's not even a joking. It's not even a joke anymore. It's just true. It's sadly true, but it is true. You can't do anything about it. I know. I sold the book too. I did not care about it because I already caught it. Oh yeah, did you know iron in this game is like the most expensive thing in this game? Like it's not even expensive, it's just straight up rare. Oh, like you get paid so much for iron. Like just keep enough. If you're in like true debt in the final debt form when you unlocked everything in your house, then like have a lot of iron saved up and very much you're done with the debt. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please no. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Let's go. I want to pay off my debt, but I can't. If I want a new part of my house, but I have to pay off my debt first. Just I can't. I'm almost here though. So close, yet so far away. Can't. What are we supposed to do now? Like, oh yeah, find a new home for that character. Yeah. I want to build a new bridge, but I can't. So, I'm just gonna have to find like somewhere else for her to sit. I want her to be neighbors with Boomer. Just the normal classies. Just the classies sitting by each other. Yeah. The most important villagers. Even though Teddy's not there yet. It's sad every time I think about it. Just why is Teddy here? Just to suffer. Why are we here? Just to suffer. I'm just happy enough for my first attempt I actually got Teddy. Dang, someone's trying to play with me. Too bad I don't have Too bad I don't have Nintendo Online yet. I'm attending. I already have enough money. I'm already know what I'm spending $20 on. But like, quarantine is really hitting me, and I just can't go outside. That's the problem. If only I can go outside and actually buy it. And no, I am not requesting any illegal, illegal Nintendo Online action. No, I don't do that. No. There, yeah. I do not do that. If you actually give me it, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. If you actually give me it, something like that. Like, if you do, why, you're so kind if you do. You're like kind enough to do that, but just no, don't do that. It's like illegal. Just don't. Straight up, just don't. Makes no sense. But I want to do the same thing for kid as the same thing I did for my Mimi villager. No joke, this is a Mimi villager. I hope to God it was a Mimi villager, because as soon as I know where to put him. But oh, and it's her birthday, specifically her. It's normal. I'll be happy enough I put her in the front. No joke, I'm so happy I put her in the front. Because specifically it's her birthday. What do I have for her? A cushion. I want to give her this. But it's actually kind of bead. So I want to give her a fossil. No, I can't. Physically, I could just give her a chunk of weed and she will still be happy. That's how much villagers are. Just, I could give her a house kit. No, I can't. That would be hilarious. Oh my god, she has the best ringtone. She has the best sound effect. I don't want to mess with her style, so I'm just gonna give her a cushion. Sure. Ten birthdays? How am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do 10 birthdays? And I can't believe I just titled a video. Sorry. Yeah, I'll definitely never forget your actual character and name. Like Teddy. Teddy was just sitting right here, just looking through the window. Just, I wish I could be there. You know, he could literally come inside. Exercising. I just like the fact that Teddy's just a character. He's just Brock, but like the most exercisable Brock ever. It's hilarious. It's not even a joke, it's just good. It's not even a joke at that point, he just looks like Brock. Just as soon as you see his whole face, you know he looks like Brock. just you know he looks like Brock as soon as you see his face. Trust me on this one. He looks exactly like Brock. Please don't be about. I hate this. So far away, everybody in balance. Sucks. Please be balanced. No. Okay. I know this one. This one ain't gonna be it. No, this ain't shit. This ain't shit. This ain't shit. It isn't, Chief. It never mind. It isn't. Woo! Let's go. Intergata transfers takes a lot. A long time. Okay. So how long does it take to actually get the Able Sisters? Unless you actually have to buy it, then yeah, I'll buy it. I'm sure I'll buy it twice. Sure. So Able Sisters only come on Sundays? Now I think about it, I think they only do come on Sundays. Because no. She came on a Wednesday, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure she came on a Wednesday. I hope that it was not Comic Camera. Well, yes, that was Comic Camera. Of course it was, but yeah. Thank you for trying skates. Just keep. Oh, my pockets fell. Oh, okay. Let me just sell a couple things. Dang. Okay. There we go. I feel unpowerful anymore. I don't feel as powerful anymore. This process takes way too long. Oh, I can't wait till I get Able Sisters. I know. When did you actually get Able Sisters, though? I want to actually know. I'm not planning on time traveling, but I'm just thinking about it. I'm not planning on time traveling. It's just I want to know when I get Able Sisters because this is a long process. I just don't like this. Please give me Able Sisters. Thank you. Thank you, game. I hope you listened. Where the heck is this gold hole? I actually want to know. Where is it? Is it on a cliff? Because if so, then I don't know why, but it is. Never seen it and never will see it again. Why is Animal Crossing just such a long game? This game is the longest in the series because the longest from getting bored from the series because just no, you won't get bored. Just won't. Look at this. Just yeah. There we go. It's so bad because I'm just waiting. My thing is literally working. I know I should go back to Tom Nook, but who really cares? Let's all be honest, who really cares about that? I guess I put Kid in the spotlight, put Boomer out in the spotlight just because I can, so. And two, I'm pretty sure at least one villager had to be here, or it wouldn't actually make sense to have a bridge going here. It don't make sense at all. But yeah, sure. Is there actual gold in here? I don't think there is, but there probably is. Oh yeah, Daryl was supposed to be red here yesterday. He didn't go to his ship. I don't feel like doing that. Okay. This is entertaining gameplay. Dear God. What is that? I just saw about four. One of these had to be a pitfall, and I know it. One of them is gonna be a pitfall. Unless you physically have to actually get a pitfall. I hate those websites that actually want you to get bells by paying for bells. Who pays for bells? You pay real life money for bells out of all things. Just earn them. Straight up, just do the work that Tom Nook gives you. He literally gives you tasks for bells. Oh, I forgot I had that. I did dug up that. Well, I guess that wasn't. I guess that wasn't a. Uh, uh, uh. Did I actually not pick up these weeds? Those weeds were up after like 5 days. I'm shocked they had not picked up these. Where is it? I just want to know where's that shiny spot? I want to know where it is. Please make some. Please make something out of context for me. I would love it. I literally explored everything on this island. Where? Oh yeah, I'm sorry for everybody else thinking Pussy Island would be worked on way better. So far, I did absolutely nothing to the island. Disappointing, but yet, this is what I've been doing. But the museum though, now that been worked on. Dear God, man, calm down. You've been walking around everywhere like that. How many bells do I have? Don't have enough space in my pocket to actually buy anything. How cool is that? Hold up, wait. I just realized what I just did. That's darn it. I do not want to fall in the pitfall. That's the one thing I don't want to do. If I actually fall in the pitfall, I will be sad. Oh no, it does not sound right with platters. No. It actually does not sound right with bladders. I just never pay attention to this part. I usually skip through it. I know we have a select all button for this. Makes no sense, but it's so confusing. Yeah, why don't we have a select all button? Just select all. If we have to unlock that via Nook Miles, then I don't understand that. No, that would just be a good life day of life improvement. The pocket the pocket mechanics in this game is much more different because you actually have to unlock pockets, and there is the least amount of pocket space you can actually have, and dang, you jumped into the yes, jumped in a parallel universe. I guess I can go villager hunting, but at what cost though? Sure, villager hunting. What cost though? But what cost? Dear God. I'm barely affecting it to you're basically affecting it, huh? My God. Do I really have hiccups now? Oh my God, why does Star One take that much space? I could just build a normal Star One and just sell it. I have enough things to actually do that too. I have enough from that day. Oh yeah, how do you get the Sarwan recipe? A lot of people don't know actually. Actually, I didn't know at first, but like it was self-explanatory. For one day, a brother sister is supposed to visit your island. I'm pretty sure she gives you this. And that's about it. Literally, it's as self-explanatory as it is. It's not even hard. It's just straight up just wait for a Platter's sister to come to your island and just there. She's here. Now you can go do whatever you want. um I have enough to actually customize another one. Might as well sell you as well because I don't need you. Don't need you. No miles to take it. Ugh, no. Before anything, I need this because I want to see what can I do. I want to customize other things. So first I need to customize. Am I holding something? Am I? Don't think I am. What about the net? I always respect Blue Pikmin. Blue Pikmin game. What? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Oh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. happening outside? Gosh, it takes so long. Yeah, but don't customize it. Now the slingshot. Uh, yeah. I don't know which one actually looks the best on the slingshot, to be honest. Let's all be honest though. What does look best on the screen? This I want to say it's blue, but it's not. I think red is probably the best on the slingshot, at least. I guess it's because I've been seeing it a lot in Smash. You all get that reference. Because every villager main does that in Smash. Darn it, I showed off one of my secrets. Should have not mentioned it. You can see I don't care about it. You get my point with I don't care. Yeah, let me just build another Star Wand. But I could build another Star Wand if I really wanted to. Yeah, I literally built another Star Wand. I can't build that many. I only can build one more, but I can literally build a Star Wand. Just straight up can. Oh. Okay, I want to see. Does Star Wands actually have data? Okay, they don't. Okay, they don't. You just get a Star Wand in general. I'm sure people don't actually have Star Wands. I understand that day like 2 people or the week 1 people don't have Star Wands, but like, shouldn't you actually get Star Wands during week 1? I think it's near the end of week 1, probably. Yeah. Oh wait, this is day 9. No, I'm still calling it day 8 because I'm gonna count day 10, day 0. Okay. I just have to process that one for a second.